Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the exact page and element you want to import. This matters because Importhtml reads either a table or a list. Open the live URL and inspect quickly. Count which table or list is first, second, or third so you can pick the correct zero-based index. Once done, switch to your Google Sheet and select the cell where results should appear. You'll enter the function there. Make sure the source is publicly accessible or import will fail. Now you write the formula precisely. Equals Importhtml, https://example, com/page, table 0. You do this because Importhtml pulls raw element content, index picks which element. Once it populates, refine results by wrapping with ifer to avoid ugly errors or use index to extract specific rows and columns. Make sure to add query or filter after import to select columns, rename headers, or remove unwanted rows. This keeps your sheet tidy and reduces manual cleanup later. Finish by configuring refresh behavior. In file settings, set recalculation frequency so updates occur automatically but not excessively. If Importhtml cannot find the element because of dynamic scripts, switch to Importhtml or use a simpler server-side snapshot. If results disappear, check that the site isn't blocking Google, the HTML structure didn't change, and your URL is reachable. One quick troubleshooting tip. Replicate the exact element index after structural changes, and clear cache or force a manual recalculation to confirm a fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.